How to create these trending AI images for free. Easy and simple step-by-step guide. So, follow this video and don't skip any step because you might miss out. Let me start. First, open any web browser that you would like to use. Up here type to search www.bing.com. Press enter. Up here click on images. Now click on create. Okay, this is the website. On this page, describe what you would like to create. Now click on Join and Create. Here if you're not ready signed up with your account, just enter your email and then click on Next. Enter your password and then click on Sign In. OK. Up here you will see the AI creating the images. Done. The AI have successfully created these amazing images. It's so simple and amazing. Then if you want to download these images, down here click on Download. Select the location and then click on Save. When it's done, open the download folder to see your saved images. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.